Welcome everyone to a new video. Again, it's a simulation of gold, and a quick reminder, this channel I started is basically to document my journey and also to show you, maybe teach you one thing or two, and to basically document my journey from simulation to funded accounts. So yeah, and today's simulation I'll focus more on missing trades because I believe we need to focus more on that, or I need to focus more on that it's okay to miss trades. So I'll be only looking to trade setups that I guess makes more sense or more what do you call it? Yeah, like higher probability for it to win. Anyway, let's start with the random date. Um, wait, what? Yeah, 28 for April. Okay, okay. 28th of April. Let's get out of this. New simulation. 28 April. All right. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see the journey, and I'm sure you'll learn something today. So if you do, please like and subscribe. It will help a lot. All right. So as you all know, we trade pre-London. Just after the close of the last 4 hour before the pre-London, which will be 2 hours before London Open, and we trade 30 minutes. So basically there's a rejection, but still candles are respecting. It could still go down, but anyway, we take the trades. This is just to take a general look on how the price is going. So I guess if we break below this, then we will be looking on a bearish trend. All right, let's start trading then. What's happening? Yeah. Okay, let's see the 1 hour. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So I see it's so far it's a downtrend because it's low high, lower low, lower highs. But it's yeah, it's still respecting this. Let's see the 30 minutes. Okay. So for me, this price is ranging at the moment. So when it ranges, we can still take trades in both directions when it reaches support and resistance. Basically, this the plan. If this was a candle before, I would have taken a buy, but also because it's a flat top, then I will not take a buy because we're not really sure. When usually it's a flat top, it's the probability of going up is not so high. So let's just go and see. Even if it goes up, it's okay because today we're practicing to miss trades. I know it sounds crazy, but nobody talks about it much actually. What's this range? That's a 200 point. Let's check 15 minutes then. Okay, the 15 minutes is forming a resistance here. And have a support here. So I will buy if it closes above this, or sell if it closes below this. I'm not ranging inside here for sure, but it's 88 pips anyway. But yeah, let's see. Okay, this is an impulse entry trade. Let's slow this down and see if it will gonna. Okay, you can start with the first buy. Risk 1%, visual mode, buy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Even though we said we will wait for when it closes, I still didn't follow my rule because I was in a FOMO state. I was fearing of missing out on the move. This is why we simulate, guys. This is why we simulate. Did I go in with 2 trades? What? What happens? I don't know. Anyway. I'm closing 50% of this. Okay, of course, there's no 50% here. Then I'll close 50% here. Let's do the 60. Okay. Boom. Boom. Because 15 minutes is a weak support and resistance. Let's see. We said we will wait till the candle closes outside. Let's fast forward this. Yeah. Now it's outside. Now we can take a sell, but we will wait for the new candle to go up, create a wick. When it's going down, we're jumping in. If it doesn't, if it just goes down, it's okay. Yep, that's good. That's still good. Now we should wick down. Let's see, 30 minutes. Only if it breaks this low, we're going in. Let's speed it up a bit. Okay, we're still in the range, but with a big rejection. Yeah. Impulse entry, if it goes above this wick, we should go in. This is what impulse entry means. But do we want to do the same mistake again? If it's exactly by the time of London open, then I would do that. Yeah. Okay. 15 minutes minute candle. Let's wait and see. Let's fast forward this. Boom. Nothing. Okay. So this candle, the 15-minute candle, did not break the highs of this, so it's still making a lower lows and lower highs. So if this breaks this, then it's an impulse entry. But do we want to take impulse entry? It's still, yeah, it's tricky. But if it's London open, then I think it's a good idea. Yeah, right there. I'll put it here. Still too far. 80 pips to secure. Let's go. Okay. I closed outside. If it breaks this, it might take another 0.5%. Yep. So what I will do now is, wait, let's see. go down a little bit more. Why is it not moving? Boom, that was more than just a little. Let's go 0.5. Sell. We'll put this here. Yes, and we'll put the other one. Huh? What? What's going on? Are we still in another trade? It has no stop loss? What? Wow. That's weird, because usually there's a stop loss, so I don't know why there was not here. We will change the stop loss of the... Okay, we were losing without us knowing. So basically I'll just move the stop loss to here. So we're just losing... Where was it? Here, I guess. Not using much. Okay. Now let's go. So now we're in with 1.5%. It's not good. The trend is our friend. What's the trend really? Does that mean we're making higher highs now? Higher lows? Kind of. The hour's bullish, 30 minutes is bullish. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's crazy. Okay, wait. All right. I'll wait for it to move down a bit. Okay, we're up 1%, but maybe we can move the stop loss here. So the first one, visual, yep, right here. Yep. I'm just trailing the stop loss now. Come on. Okay. Yeah. We're up 1%. In 30 minutes, it already went down a lot, actually. But that's not an excuse. Okay, that's not a good beginning, actually. And yeah, it's going up. Oh, we're still in a bearish move. We're still in a bearish move. I'm not taking longs here. But we already lost twice today, right? So there's no point to keep going onto this day. So we'll just skip this and go to the next day. But now there's an opportunity. Yeah, I'll take this last trade before we go. Okay, let's sell on 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, we will sell, but not now, when it breaks the low. Yeah, go green. Okay, let's just sell. Accept, go. it should go down if we believe that this is a bearish move. This will be our second chance from here, because it went and rejected this area. And if it has to go down, then it has to break this one as well. If we lose, we will leave. We will go to the next day. Boom. That's good news. That's good news. Let's see the 30 minutes. It's bearish. The 1 hour is bearish. 10 minutes to close. If it closes here, then I would say we're going down there. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, closing outside. All right. Then we're in. If it reaches the entry point, we're closing 50%. Yeah, here. We're closing 50% because we need to manage our risks. This is a big rejection. Big green, please. Wait, let's see the 15 minutes. It's green. Yeah, we're still going down. Still going down exactly like planned. Now, this 15 minutes closed here, but this is 70 pips for another 70 pips. Should we put in our let's see, let's wait for this to flip down first. Then we can put our stop loss. Come on. Yeah, let's put the 0.5% that we closed. Yep, and we will sell all when it reaches here. Okay, we lost this. Okay, let's move to the next day then. We're still in a trade though. Alright. Let's wait for it to go down. Let's put it a break even. That's fast. Oh, not this fast, not this fast. Alright. Yeah, it's already. Okay. So today we lost 2.5% in one day. So our max is 2%. And today, let's review our trading and see where we made mistakes so we can learn. The point is to learn from the mistakes. When we were here, okay, that was exactly 8. Yep, 8. Started here. And we believe that this is a downtrend. Then we should have taken a sell here. We would have been stopped. But it was going down. Rather, we tried to take an impulse entry here and got faked out. So, again, I need to put a limit on impulse entries in a boxed situation. But if it goes outside, yes, I can take impulse entry, but not in a boxed situation. And then, after it broke here, then if you put the stop loss there, then we would be winning, right? So moving the stop loss was the problem here, I guess. So this would have been 1 trade loss, 1 trade win, and then when it went up and rejected, that would have been the third one. So why did we lose? I have no idea. Of course I know, but screenshot this. Let's move to the next day and try to make up what we lost. That's okay. We need to make peace with our losses and our wins. Okay. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, what's happening on the 4 hours? Okay, it was going up, went down here, and it's ranging, still ranging, making higher highs. It's also going down. Let's check the 1 hour. The 1 hour trend is low, lower low, break this. Then I guess the trend now could be bullish. Could be bullish, but seeing this tells me that it's a breakout where we can take a sell, even though we were bullish. And that'll be our first trade. This actually would have been nice if it flips and we put our stop loss here. Yes, like this, then we would have had a shorter stop loss. But it's okay. But it's riskier, but more reward. Okay. Why is it not pausing? Pause. We're closing 50% here. What did we say we're going down when we said that we are bullish? Strange, right? I'm closing all of this. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, let's see 15 minutes. No, we don't want to see 15 minutes. Because now I'm waiting for it to break this area for me to take a buy. Opa. Okay, the hourly is bullish, 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 bullish. So we can take a buy here. There's actually 2 minutes left. So let's just wait. Oh, now we take a buy. Put that here. Because we were bullish, right? Stop loss is too tight. It's already too late. Okay, I'm writing down that I've lost 4 times in a row. Four losses, right? I lost 3 here. 1, 2. History, let's check. Yeah, lost all the trades. have if we believe that this was a sell, then we could take this, but we don't believe that this is a bearish move. We're bullish. Let's check the 4 hours. Yeah, definitely bullish. The clear range here. I'll try to do something here. Try to put 0.5 and a buy. One here, yes, and another 0.5 buy there. Taking a trade off the 1 hour because I see a clear range here for it to go up. Let's fast forward this. I mean, if it goes here, we'll put stop loss above a bit. Let's see. It's the 1 hour, so it's moving slowly. Just let's look at the 1 hour. We know what's gonna happen here. So close. We know that we're losing it, but let's just move it a little bit. Give it some room. Let's fast forward this, and boom, we lost this one too. What's going on? Give it another chance, and this will be our last trade of this day. Oh, no, I don't want to go there. I want to go when it's pre-New York now. Or should we? Because there was no volume at all. I guess, yeah. Let it go. Okay, the volume is bad. This goes 50%. Wow. 6 in a row. What do you do? How will my mental health survive after this if this was real? See, we were bullish in a way. Makes sense. Okay, it's Wednesday. I'm taking a buy. Let's go. closing 50%. Adding 50%. I'm actually embarrassed to post this online now. So the trend is bearish, but for some reason we see it bullish. Yeah. 7 in a row. What the hell is that? Yeah, we lost twice. If we didn't lose twice, I would have taken a sell here. Up until there. Yeah. Yeah, I need to change my bias. Okay, clearly this is a bearish move. It's a bearish day, clearly. There's a support here. Yeah. So what do we see? Support formed here. Resistance formed there. Seven losses. 8 losses. Wow, I've never seen something like this before. Never. Never, ever, ever. Never happened. Not even one win. Wow. Wow. was that? Another one. What did we take buys? No, 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 no. This is not me. Today is not my day. Really. Really. That's crazy. I thought we said we would take sales. I'm closing everything. I'm taking a sell here. This is a classic move. Usually it's a higher win rate. Okay, finally. We're seeing 9 losses and 2 wins. That's minus 4%. Okay, I mean, what can get crazier than that? I'll just put both of them on break even. Till it comes here. No, 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 no. Come down. Don't break my heart. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. The next one. Boom. Yeah. I was up 2%. Oh, why didn't I close it here? Because I wanted to run down to make up for it, but that wasn't a smart move to do at all. I should have closed it here. Only let runners run when I'm in profit. But when I'm not in profit, yeah, that's just stupid. Let's fast forward. Yeah, it's gone. This is the last trade of today's, of Fridays. Let's just give it some room. Yeah. Yeah, that was break even. So it was not to win, just one win. Yeah. Break even. I'm greedy. I'm doing the same mistake again. Should I close this? I'll close 90% of it. Or should I trail it? No, I will trail it. No, I will trail it. If I trail it, then I'm not winning much. Okay, broke it. Yeah, let's go. Psh. So one win, another one. Makes it 2. Minus 5%. Okay, we have Friday. I have Friday and I need to. Wow, what? No. What happened? Yeah. Fuck trading and break even. They made me lose a lot. Break even and trailing. I could have made it all up. Yeah, because we were here. We were like 30 pips away, and now if it went here, it's 180 pips. If you do the calculations, that's how much did you say? 30 pips to 180 or 170. 170 divided 30, that's 5.6%. Could have made it all up if I didn't put the stop loss to break even. It would have been 0 here. Yeah, let's go to the last and final day. 1 second. Yeah, let's go to the final day. 30 minutes. Obviously, I'm assuming, not obviously, but Yeah, I'm assuming that there was support. We broke it, so we're going up. Alright, I'm not taking a sell here, even though it's very tempting. But we can take like 0.5%. Here, just halfway will be enough. Accept, play. Faster. Okay. There's a support formed. Let's see what its next candle is going to do. Okay, closing. Closing all of it. It's just stupid. Did a lot of mistakes today. Yes, another breakout. Close outside this range. Or below this range. Okay. We're bullish, right? So let's just wait for a bullish candle. Yep. Outside. Yes, this is where we get in. Not half. Full. Buy. Put this there. Accept. Let's look at the left hand side. Let it go. How is that even possible? Seriously, how is it even possible? Wow. 11 losses and 2 wins. Ah, should have taken a buy here. Yeah, obviously, because it's clear now. Our last buy. I'm just waiting to lose this one. That's crazy. Alright, 12 losses. 12 losses and 2 wins. We're 7% down. That's the worst session I've done my whole life. Alright. Yeah. Usually I would take a buy here. But again, of course. So obviously we're going down. So why? Yeah. Sometimes this confuses me so much that this looks up, but this looks down, and you're not sure which one to follow, right? But I guess we just have to zoom out a little bit. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today.